Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. If you haven't watched it yet, check out episode 1 of our Lawn Care Essential series where we address aeration and soil composition. In this episode, we look at the ins and outs of lawn fertilisers. Grass is like any other plant. It takes in nutrients and air through the soil and sunlight through the leaves for photosynthesis, where the conversion to sugars and energy takes place. It is the job of the lawn fertilisers to help keep this in balance and provide the nutrients that your lawn is lacking. The first thing you can do is look for signs that your lawn is deficient in nutrients. If you've got pets, the green patch left from urine is an obvious giveaway. Urine containing urea is nitrogen charged, which means it can leave a burnt patch on your lawn, but afterwards that burnt patch can turn green. Clover invading parts of your lawn can be a direct sign of low nitrogen. Clover struggles to grow when nitrogen levels are not at an optimum level for your lawn. Continual seed head growth or a yellowing, thinned out appearance can also be signs that your lawn needs a fertiliser. The second thing to understand is what nutrients are required. The 3 numbers on the side of most fertiliser packages represent the value of the macronutrients in that fertiliser. The 3 main nutrients are nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Nitrogen is largely responsible for the growth of leaves on the plant and is the most talked about nutrient when it comes to lawns. Lawns love nitrogen, but it's important to strike a balance between strong leaf growth and strong roots capable of supporting it as well. This is where phosphorus comes in. Phosphorus is largely responsible for root growth, but is only a low percentage of the overall NPK ratio, so some is needed, but only a small amount. Potassium is a nutrient that helps the overall function of the plant perform correctly. It also helps the plant to use nitrogen more efficiently. By understanding how these nutrients affect the overall health of your lawn, you'll be better equipped to identify deficiencies and the telltale signs of stress, which will help you understand when it's the right time to fertilise. Lawn fertilisers come in many varying types and blends and can often be confusing as to which is the right type for you. If you are looking for a slow release feed for your lawn for an entire season, then granular fertilisers like Lawn Solutions Premium Fertiliser are the way to go. These fertilisers work well on all lawn varieties, delivering the nutrients your grass needs to recover and grow well. All you need to do is spread it out evenly at the application rate advised and water it in well. There are also liquid fertilisers like Exceed. These are foliar fertilisers, so they are absorbed and taken through the leaf. These fertilisers are much faster acting, so they are good for when you are looking for a quick boost. There are a range of fertiliser formulations available to provide different nutrients for different grass varieties at different times of the year. For the most part though, if you use a good quality turf fertiliser that is suitable to your variety, then all the scientific work has been done for you and your lawn will thrive. If you are unsure of which fertiliser is right for your turf variety, check out the Lawn Solutions Australia website or please feel free to get in touch. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on our next lawn video where we look at 2 more essentials for lawn care, water and sunlight. Thanks for watching and we hope to catch you next time.